Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're taking a look at XRP here, but before we begin, as always, please do like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Really appreciate you all being here. Thank you very much for watching and all that good stuff. So taking a look at XRP here, and it is looking like my trade analysis really played out on the last video. Obviously I had this short position here because we were in this nice little downtrend like this for XRP. You can see obviously lower lows and lower highs. And once we broke down from this level here, I came back up to retest the 023. I had a small short position in this area just because I thought we'd probably get a rejection at least back down to here before we saw some more upside. But obviously with all that bullish news that we saw in the SEC case with Ripple, we did see ourselves come up. We got stopped out here and we actually started to come back down and back test this level quite significantly, didn't we? So I actually opted to go for a long position in this area when we saw that we were back testing this area with a good amount of aplomb. And you can see here over the past 5 days we've had a very nice uptrend for XRP here, essentially just heading to the upside in a very nice way indeed, heading up towards, basically in my previous video I actually told you my first take profit, or my overall take profit, was here. But then when I saw that we were getting up towards this level, I set my take profit, my stop loss just below here, and I actually rearranged my take profit to my original target, which was all the way back here when I thought we were going to bounce here and go up to this level, which was this bear market resistance of the previous bear market here. I thought we'd probably bounce here and go back up, but we actually got the deviation and then the back test, and now looking like we're heading up there. So right now my position is actually sitting with the stop loss just around about here in a nice bit of profit, and then the take profits up here. So either one of those gets hit, I'll be happy with that. But right now XRP having a nice little, basically a bounce in this uptrend that it's been in. You can see we've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is potentially the 5th wave move to the upside here, where we could see our XRP maybe even coming up and breaking this high here, which would be absolutely phenomenal, wouldn't it? At least heading up to that 038 Fibonacci level for real. This previous level back here that hasn't fully been tested yet, in my opinion. You know, if we do see ourselves doing something like this and making a clear uptrend, breaking up above this level here, that would be really nice to see. But as always guys, XRP right now just chopping sideways just like a lot of cryptos, and we are waiting for that next move in the market overall, aren't we? So that is really it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. You could argue that maybe XRP is doing a little bit of something like this, just like a lot of cryptos, maybe a little bit of a descending wedge kind of formation. Although XRP looks more like a bull flag to me, not really much of a wedge, is it? But either way, looking like it's breaking out in a bullish way and heading up to that resistance where we're looking to take profits. So that is it for today guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.